In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu on Weebly. If you're looking to enhance your website's navigation and give it a more professional look, a drop-down menu is a fantastic way to organize your pages under one main category. It's both user-friendly and visually appealing, making it easier for your visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Weebly website by heading over to their homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to log into your account. You'll see the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin. Now, input your email, ensuring it is the one associated with your Weebly account. After you've entered your email, simply click on the Next button to proceed to the password entry stage. Once on this screen, type in your password. Be sure it is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've swiftly typed in your password, go ahead and click on the Log In button. This action will take you straight into your account dashboard. From here, you're one step closer to creating that drop-down menu. Upon reaching the dashboard, you will see an option labeled Overview. Click on it and this will direct you to a page where all your sites are displayed. Now locate the site you wish to edit and click on Edit Site. Give it a moment to load if needed so you're right in the editor. Now that we're inside the editor, shift your attention to the menu on the left. Locate the button labeled Pages and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all your site pages. What we'll do next is create a hierarchy to transform these pages into a neat drop-down menu. Click on the pages you'd like to include in your drop-down and drag them beneath a main page which will serve as the parent item in your menu. Align them slightly to the right under this parent page. This step is essential as it groups them into a sub-menu, effectively setting them up as a drop-down list beneath the main page. Once the pages are adjusted appropriately, take a moment to click on the plus sign that appears next to your arranged pages. This small yet important step allows you to preview how the drop-down menu will display on your website. It's a great way to ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it, you've successfully created a drop-down menu on your Weebly site. Not only does this improve the structure of your website, but it also enhances the overall user experience, which is crucial for keeping visitors engaged. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy website building!